Hi, this is Colette Henry from Go North Yarnworks. Today I'd like to show you how to work a back post single crochet, as seen here in my herringbone cowl. The back post single crochet is one of several stitches that I used here to create this really tasteful, sort of minimalistic edge to the cowl. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do to work a back post single crochet is identify your post. So you can see right here, we're going to find your next stitch. Every stitch has a post, which is the part that kind of goes down and connects to the row below. This is the right side of your stitch and the left side of your stitch. To work a back post single crochet, you're going to bring your hook from back to front through the right side of your post. To the right of the post, you'll pass your hook across your post and insert it from front to back on the left side of the post. So like this, I'm going to bring my hook around to the back and come up through the right side of my post. There you go. I'm going to pass my hook across the post and go in on the left side of the post. I have almost like a capital A or a triangle there with my working yarn coming across right here, you can see. Now I'll pull up a loop. So grab that working yarn and you pull it back through the path that you just went with your hook. You'll have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull through both stitches. So on your next back post, here's your post right here. You're going to bring your hook around the back and up from back to front on the right side of your post. You'll take your hook across the post and insert it from front to back on the left side of your post. Grab that loop and pull it on through, traveling the same path that your hook went. You'll have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull through. So again, there's your post. My hook is going around back behind my working yarn. I'm coming up through on the right side of the post. I'm going across the post and down on the left side of the post. So you're working around the post. I'm going to grab that working yarn and pull it back through the path that I just traveled. I'll have 2 loops on my hook, yarn over, and pull through. If you are working this post as part of a trim, I actually really recommend going up a hook size because it helps give you the extra little space that you need. The stitch can end up being kind of tight, so the tension and the spacing is improved if you go up a hook size. So as always, feel free to comment below or reach out to me via email. It's gonorthyarnworks@gmail.com. I really appreciate you watching and happy crocheting.